If you need a little bit more calm, happiness in your life, then I've got just the thing for you, the Bliss Breath. I start a lot of classes with this breath, and sometimes when I'm on a walk or when I'm in the grocery store and I need a little bit of I do this breath. For this one, you don't even need to be seated. You can be standing, you can be walking, you can be at the club, you can be at the spa, wherever you are, you can do this breath right here. Eyes open, eyes closed, does not matter. Here we go. So what you want to do is you're going to be breathing through the nose, and you inhale, 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 feeling your lungs fill up all the way. And when it feels like they're all the way full, inhale just a little bit more, and then slowly and gently exhale. And you just keep that going. You inhale, 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 inhale. Oh, feels like it's full. Topping it off with another little tiny sniff, and then slowly, gently exhaling. And you keep that going, filling lungs all the way, topping off and exhaling it out. Here, let's do it for a few seconds together. And there you are, just a few breaths, and you can shift your total perspective. Try it out wherever you are. 3 breaths for a whole minute, for 3 minutes, whatever fits into your schedule. The Bliss Breath. Sat Nam.